In the heart of the hills above Chiang Mai, northern Thailand, lives a Hmong hill tribe community named Ban Mae Sa Mai.
My name is Stephen Elliott.
My name is Goff.
My name is Yingrak Ratana Pongsai.
My name is Kim Mim, Kwan Khao Singha Seni.
Okay, my name is Suthathorn Chairungsi.
This is our story.
I'm co-director of Chiang Mai University's Forest Restoration Research Unit.
I'm in charge of the education part. The community that we educate in Chiang Mai is Ban Mae Sa Mai. The forest is very important for this village. The people knows that they can get everything from the forest. The forest is kind of like a supermarket for the local people. They can get everything that necessary for living from the supermarket. And when you get degraded forest, so it means that you get less from the supermarket.
Yes. This project aims to answer about the forest succession, because seedling is in the future they will grow up and be replaced the high tree to become big trees. Children can learn to love nature, can learn to protect their own life, their own nature.
The school here in Ban Mae Sa Mai is currently concentrating on explaining to the students why the rainforest is important and how to take care of it. We're helping that, making it more fun. I'm here in Thailand as part of an organisation called ARI, which is Art Relief International. We go along to different voluntary programmes and provide support in various areas of the arts. So if it's a school, we'll provide an art lesson. If it's counselling, then we'll provide art therapy. And with this, we're providing art in terms of teaching about why the rainforest is important, and helping that, making it more fun by including a few art projects. Today we're doing a project where we paint the rainforest using various media, explaining the different layers of the forest, so they can get a greater understanding of it and also understand why it's important.
I think this is a really great way to teach the kids about forest restoration, because they're doing it. It's physical. They're not learning, this is something we should do. They're saying, oh, this is my forest. I'm going to restore this little piece of paper and make my own little forest.
I'm here today with a villager from Don Chiang. They came here to have a training about nursery technique. Also, they have their own technique for seedling production, but they also learn many new things. Like today we go out for seedling collection, for what we call wildling collection. They are the organic farmer, let's say like that. And I think they're very concerned about it. It's an important thing that they will give to their kids, I think.
ตุ่มไม่ได้ถ้าเราปล่อยให้มันคายใช่ครับเป็นเหตุผลเดียวกันครับอาจจะใช้ลงเลยครับต้นไม้มาวางลงมาเต็มเลยอ่ะไปปักให้มันเป็นรูนะจะได้เตือนเจ้าหน้าที่ไม่ใช่ทางเพลน่ะปิ่นมีคนยังได้มา1วิธีคือเหล้าดองยา
โอ้วันที่25ได้กินน้ำขาวอยู่กันเนาะแปลงของ
The reality is that the majority of Thailand is rural, and the majority of Thailand is beautiful, but in a city you don't get to see that as much.
Of appreciating the culture, people here in the Hmong community are really what it's about. I think getting right back to basics, not in terms of technology and things like that. They seem to be much more part of what Thailand is rather than what you might find in the cities.
You can't take Thailand's natural beauty for granted. It requires constant effort to restore Thailand's natural beauty.
They can't cut it down.
I think the culture is inspired from the natures. So that's why when we preserve the forest, this is the place of inspired people.
Not only for foreign tourists coming to see it, but also for local people.
One Masamai community, they have taught children about the forest.
I think they will pass this on their kids. It will be quite like a beautiful and let's say important thing that they will give to their kids.
These forests are Thailand's natural heritage. They provide us with a tourist attraction. They protect our watersheds. They provide habitat for wildlife.
Tourist people can also have the opportunity to learn about Thailand when they visit us.
And if we don't take care of these forests and restore them where they've been destroyed, all this is in danger of vanishing.